Okay, here we are, Heart of the Mart, and this is my first trip. This is day 2 after Heart of the Mart has opened, and it's only open for one day. And it's really strange how all these things work down here. They're different fields open at different times, and everybody's always trying to sneak in them early. And it's once it opens, it's a mad rush. Everybody's got to go and get there first and get the best stuff. It's amazing. And this is, well, I don't even know what day it is. Wednesday. Wednesday. Too little sleep. That's what happens to you. But we're having a great time. We're buying well. We're selling well. It's a wonderful time. We're going to have an unloading sale when we get back. Scarlett's been finding some wonderful things for all of our cherished customers back in Franklin. So this is the first time I've really had a free minute to come look around by myself. Been working, selling everything.
Okay, well, Eileen seems to be doing okay, so we'll see.
It just goes on and on and on and on. There's everything that you can think of here. So, until next time, thanks for watching.